my pins.
No, and that's the problem. I can tell you, enough money waste, enough mistake. I just come here and I sit down and say, alright, so there's a wheel arch that is right there. I never want you buck your foot on the wheel arch. So how can I sit down and get this wheel arch that it don't make the bus ugly? And we just create this. I want a little curve and we just turn it into a bar counter. Here, we figure that people want to rest them drinks on it, but we can't. I love lights. So you know we can't put in an ordinary cup holder, they want to light up.
There's some people today we have feature on school bus built by every trucking thing. So we'll give a walk around and showcase the customization, everything we have done. And so we're going to post some picture before and after. So
alright, so this is a 2005 Freightliner FL D70 or FL70. Caterpillar C7 engine. It came down as a school bus, fully seated. None of this was in there. We gave the pictures for that. The first thing we did was the door was on the right side of the bus. We took it off and we put it on the left side so that when we're dropping off people, they could be dropped off on the sidewalk instead of the road. We did a few lights on the outside, which you can see, which is the windscreen lights, the ones on the top of the bus, and we change out every single light that is around the bus to LED. There's going to be a lot more added, but it's a work in progress. Inside now, these are the original seats that we wrapped over. We got wrapped. We installed. Behind there are some windows. We covered the windows and put on the fabric on there. We've got the bar counters built out. I didn't want the seats on both sides. I wanted to give people enough space to kind of party, enjoy themselves. We put in TVs, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 TVs. The sound system was installed by Supreme Audio. The TVs, all the other work in here, flooring, the roof, everything was done by me.
so it come with them AC unit.
Yeah, so the AC, this AC and this AC came in the bus. And the one that's outside, it was actually inside here and we moved it onto the outside.
So all these like that from you, right?
Every single thing in here we brought in. The mirrors, every single thing. Ice buckets, the bear racks. These are all customized by us.
Alright, so what are the next step?
Spray in the bus.
What color?
Candy red.
Okay.
I think candy red and chrome would do very well together.
So inside complete or enough?
One other thing that is left to do is, because that's the ice bucket, we have a beer igloo to put in and the DJ's console to just get the mixer and then we're done. So as it is right now, if somebody don't mind the color outside, that some people love it and say keep it in the yellow because it look like a regular school bus, and when you come in here it look totally different.
Well, it give you that classic look still.
So everywhere I go, everybody is saying, where you go with this whole bus here? And when they come inside the mode, everybody jaw drop a ground.
Well, I believe said nothing wrong if it's spirit now, but the condition is in right now, look alright. I just get a different vibe, because it's a school bus. And when you go inside, it's different. So they don't like an old school style.
A lot of work, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of stress. Work man them. But yeah, it pulled through and I'm glad that everybody love it. We not go anywhere and everybody I do TikTok video in it and everybody love it. Everybody asking me when it get ready. So I have the red plate that I have applied for too. That is the only thing that's holding me up now. The red plate and well, if we get the red plate we can start working. But this is the hard work. The fruits of the labor.
So what give you the idea?
Instagram, Puerto Rico buses. You must know it.
Yeah man, also.
Why? It's my dream to go over there and see it, and those guys really inspire me to get a bus. A friend of mine, Danny, I call him a man and I show him and say, yo, this is what I want. This is what I want to do. He said, I'm crazy. And when I show him and I do what I do, everybody love it. Even the people who send me the bus can't believe it's the same buses.
So, alright, basically all of the customization, you just have it in mind or you have it customized on something like paper?
No,
Like say,
and that's the problem. We can tell you, enough money waste, enough mistake. We just come here and we sit down and say, alright, so there's a wheel arch that is right there. I never want you buck your foot on the wheel arch. So how can I sit down and get this wheel arch that it don't make the bus ugly? And we just create this. We want a little curve and we just turn it into a bar counter. Here we figure that people want to rest them drinks on it, but we can't. I love lights. So you know we can't put in no ordinary cup holder, they want to light up.
And the best thing we say, at the charger port them.
Yeah, so we have charger ports and see that then change colors. Yeah, so the lights we can customize for. Try to see if I can get it to do it now. So if you want all the lights in here red, you can get all the lights red, blue, green. We can get them to play to different songs and stuff like that.
Alright, you know when that thing about so alright, like somebody booked the bus, right? And it's like a trip.
So the concept of it is that we just tour around Kingston. The minimum rental is 4 hours. So just travel, whether you want to go bar hopping, so if you want to go from bar to bar, or if you want to just take a drive, go Port Royal and we just drive slow and you just party the whole way in here, you and your friends, close friends, or you want to rent it to a bride to get ready, because the stripper pole can actually come out and you can use it for VIP area in an event, anything like that.
Alright, then support artists like book it.
To do a music video?
Not really music video, like support them and do a show. And one of them just book it.
Yeah.
Can work out so?
Yeah man. Just no smoking. And that's the only thing that we don't allow in here. But it's a bus to have fun in and enjoy yourself. So anything, as I said, you want to go bar hopping, you want to do a trip, whatever it is, parties. If you just want, because over the weekend I actually carried it over Portmore. If you want to just park it out of your house, because you don't want everybody in your house, you party inside there.
Yeah,
that's what I did on Saturday gone.
Oh, you keep a party inside?
Yeah. That's where the liquor and stuff came from. So you sit down there, the music is here. You have the option of hiring a DJ, or we can get a DJ for you. Some people want to have their own DJ, or we can provide a DJ for you.
So far, I don't think this is the first are you Jamaica, yeah?
No, I'm not going to tell you. I am not the first. There are a couple out here.
Well, we never saw one before.
I didn't know they were here until after I started building it. Then when I start building, people say, but see one here, see one here. So I've seen 2 or 3 of them. I haven't really seen inside of them to see or compare. I'll leave that up to.
So them build like this, like inside party, or they just normal?
There are seats on both sides to what I say, DJ booth and stripper pole. I haven't seen any with this much open space then, where you can have all around there, and so there's seating on both sides. I mean, yes, they can hold more people, but mine was more that you can stand up, dance, enjoy yourself.
Yeah, maintain the space same way.
Yeah. This took me 2 or 3 months. Could have been a lot less, but you know how Jamaica works.
I just say a whole heap of ways. They say this I go work and they say alright, I've got put that back.
Yeah.
We'll go try and error.
It's the first I ever doing anything like this. I mean, I've customized a truck which has done well at a truck show already, but that was really external. It's the first I'm doing anything like this. So YouTube was my best friend.
so the 2 truck show coming up, Luana and Mount truck show. Definitely will be there as long as God willing. Well, it have a winner's prize. Well, that's a choice.
Well, I figured that I'm going to get a little hard bashing about it not being a truck, even though the head of it is a truck.
It's an actual truck.
But I'm not really entering in it. I just want to really showcase what I've done. If I get a prize, I get a prize. But I don't want it cause any animosity with anybody saying that, because with the last one I hear that boy me have truck store that me have a upper hand against everybody. So I don't really want that. I love when, trust me, my joy are when people open that door. Because as you say, when you look outside and you come in here, so everybody can't believe what is here. That's my joy. Yeah. And of course we get it rent and start making back some money off it, but that's my joy.
Well, I like how outside looks to you. It does get that old school vibe. Like old, you can name it like school bus. I get that old school bus vibe then. When the spirit I look better still,
but for now, we get what you're saying now, but we just don't know if everybody got take to that old school vibe there, or do I? Cause somebody said to me, just spray out the part them when it says school bus, and then you just put the big logo on it and keep it in the color. But then I don't know if everybody got take to it. Maybe we can do a poll. Should we do it in red or should we leave it and see what everybody say?
Yeah, you should do that.
But I mean, it's nice to can sit down and enjoy. I've lost a lot of weight sitting in this bus in the hot, late night, lots of sleep and lose. So I'm glad it appear off and people enjoy it. I'm not saying anybody coming here have a complaint yet.
No, there's no complaint. Everything is perfect, in line. You know,
and I mean,
up space.
The way the TVs are set up, you can Bluetooth so if you have songs on your phone that you want to play, you can Bluetooth into there and play.
I play through the
so you'll play this, so you will control this, and then we can use the rest of the TVs to play background videos then. And you play what you want from it. Because you know some people want to be in control, or you have the option, you get the control no matter where you turn it in here. You can go on YouTube, you can watch Netflix, whatever you want. So even if you want to watch sports, you want to book it for sports, want to watch movies in it, maybe you want to do it as even a children thing. Again, don't watch the stripper pole, it is removable. It's just to take it out. So it can use for kids events where they can drive up and down, they can do whatever, graduations, anything, you name it. As music videos, I don't have a problem with the music videos, and none of those stuff. It is a very universal bus. You can sit down and watch East Side Truckers all day long in there.
Yeah, nice, really nice. Look, when we come inside,
what was your first reaction when you came in here?
Well, actually, I don't see all that video.
Oh, you see the videos.
So we are aware. But at first, I never realized. When I watch a video on TikTok, I never see tile out.
No, I just do this.
So when I see tile out, I like good stuff.
So basically, every day I try to work on something. The outside, I want to light up the entrance, so it have that presentation when you're coming in. So when you came here, that's what I was going to work on now, to set up the front side.
But some of them buses don't come with the door sensor. They don't come with door sensor like while they walk up to the bus, the door just automatic open.
No, and I wouldn't want that because the type of clients that you might get, say an artist, you don't want anybody being able to come up. So I, as the driver, owner, and operator, would have to give you access to come in.
So we're gonna. So alright, so it have a limit
20
amount of people, right?
20.
20.
That is what the government gave it.
Oh.
When it originally came down, it was allowed 76 seats. But I didn't mind because this 2 to a seat, there are 9 of them going down, so that's 18. And then me and then a hostess, that would be in here, which would be the 20. I don't really want it cram up and ram where you're not going to get that vibe and
you want space where you can
get up, move up and down, get a drink.
You can't. You have to fight.
The handrails were installed so that when the bus in motion and you decide to stand up, you can hold on. The steering wheel, that's the control for the strobe light on the top. We installed backup cameras, Android radio. We installed 2 train horns, so we have one on the left and we have one on the right. The mirrors, we changed out the mirrors. Those are not the original mirrors, and when we go outside we can show you the...
So the door was on this side, right?
The door was on this side. I will move it over to this side. Putting back the glass, everything. And as you can see, the door works perfectly fine.
So basically, you cut out all of this?
Eh?
You cut out all of this?
No, I got a welder to do some of these stuff. But the whole of the wrapping and all of that, I did it. The handrails, the woodwork, inside, everything. So we also put on, it came with yellow rims. We put on the aluminum rims. We got Philip to polish them. We twin stock the truck. Changed out these corner lights. All of the lights that you can see. So stuff like this needs to be removed because it's very ugly. And as I say, we take a poll whether to keep it yellow or put it in red.
Please, what is the suggestion? Keep it.
There was a bar here that would come across and it would open up.
Oh,
but I got stopped one day by the police and he was creating so much of a scene, so I had to put it out.
Oh, what is that?
So what it does is open it up so that if kids were passing, that they didn't have to walk in front of the bus, there was a distance from them. So it actually still works, and there's a stop sign on the back of the bus that works. Let me turn it on. Everything like that is fully customized and
Get your right measurement.
everywhere where you're walking on a bus,
Mm-hmm.
is a one factor.